Pagod. Namiss niya si Tulip.
Ayan, okay. Sinaktan niya ka ng ngipin yan kasi namaga yung kabila. Kaya nga.
Here on Wish 107.5, wishers, give it up for
Siyempre, side view yan eh.
Thank you for joining us and
you
for
so
sharing your
much.
music. Kung nagustuhan ng wishers natin yung track mo, maybe you can tell them where to check out your music, your updates, and things.
Okay.
Anong kulay yung tayo, ano yung buntot
once again,
niya?
ako pala si Mayo Marte, and you can check me out on Facebook and Instagram /Mayo Marte. You can check out my songs too on all digital music platforms. Just search for my name, Mayo Marte.
There you go. Any shoutouts? Anyone you wish to say hello or thank you to?
Yeah, gusto ko lang i-shoutout yung Diamond Management kasi kung di dahil sa kanila, di ako makapunta sa Wish 107.5.
There you go. We wish you all the best when it comes to your career. Once again, wishers, Mayo Marte. In a few moments, we'll be joined by even more of your performers who will be joining us to render wish-exclusive performances. But for now, let's get you back to even more of your favorite hits. Keep it locked and keep on wishing. Only here on Wish 107.5.
Singing my sadness, singing my joys, you are my radio.
May kulay ng buntot.
Di ba nagkabuhay ka, naging kamukha niya yung ginagaya ko.
Roadshow with Alice on Wish 107.5. Rekindle the flame. Bring back the romance. Fall in love again. As we play your favorite love songs. Whispers of Love with Faye. Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. till midnight on Wish 107.5.
Si JR at saka si AJ padrawingin dyan.